Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Lockdown Diaries, and in this vlog we are at Anjuna beach and this property is Curlies Zulu Land Resort. We were looking for a nice stay for 20th and 21st January 2021 and we found this property on bookingdotcom. As we were concerned about COVID-19, so we were willing to stay at a place which is properly sanitized and having clean and hygienic room. After looking at the rating of 8.5 and the images of the rooms, garden area, toilets, we booked this property for a price of 3000 rupees per night stay. But once we arrived to the hotel, we found a total upside down. Now look at the curtains of this hotel. It seems they were never washed. Forget about sanitization of the curtain itself. The main door of the room does not align with the lock and the sliding door remains a slit open. Now this is still okay. But how to open the door from inside? Well, you are supposed to place your finger on this hole and slide the door to open. There is no basic handle to open and close the door. What crap. It is not a beach hut and not a cheap price hotel. Have a look at the spider comb on the wall of the room. This is not the cleanliness what we were expecting. And this is not what we were expecting from this hotel by paying 3000 rupees per night. Now let's see what is under the bed. I was surprised to see this shit. It looks like the property cleaning staff has not mopped this shit in last 2 to 3 years. While complaining, the person who managed the property naming Kirti, a northeast or Nepali guy, with his arrogance said, "अब नहीं साफ करा तो ठीक है क्या कर सकते हैं." Now under the bed mostly people does not check, but this TV is properly visible and the backside of the TV says all the ignorance of the hygiene maintained by the cleaning staff. You can see the spider comb behind the TV, full of dust. What kind of maintenance these maintenance staff is doing? Now this is the bathing area and this is the first hotel I have seen where the bathroom door does not have a lock. It has a curtain holders and there is no curtain installed at all, making the bathroom see-through. Again, such a huge spider comb in the bathroom. What crap and shitty place it is. The only good thing this resort has to offer is their garden. Their garden is really beautiful. Their dining area seat wobbles like no one's business. And the owner and staff has no interest in maintaining the property. They just want to loot the people on the name of Curlies, the one of the most famous shack at Anjuna beach. After suffering through this, I won't suggest you to book this hotel in North Goa, Anjuna. You can find better places at cheaper cost. Now somebody has broken the swing also. Now look at the dustbins. It seems they don't need to empty the trash. Management is completely ignoring the COVID guidelines and hygiene here. What trash. Guys, please consider to subscribe this channel, provide a like to the video, try to share with your friends so that nobody get trapped with Curlies Zulu Land. Curlies Zulu Land Cottages. What a filthy and shitty place.